Hey, I want to let you know that if you are interested, there's a new alpha version of Speculid version 3 out for testing purposes. It is only available on Big Sur, so hopefully you have a beta of that. The current version only is able to open existing documents, but luckily you should be able to create a JSON document pretty easily using the tutorial on the speculid.com website. Once there, you can open up the Speculid document, and you'll notice sometimes you'll have these yellow locks nearby the file name. This is because of sandboxing on Mac OS. So you'll just need to reopen the files needed in order to give access for building the icons. Once you click build, you should see those files in the directory right there. One complaint I've heard is that it works so quickly you won't even notice. So be sure to check your directory or your Xcode project to see the rendered files there. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know, leo@speculid.com, or reach out to me on Twitter at leogdion. But if you are interested in downloading this, reach out to me and let me know. Thanks.